Hello folks, this is Yatish Suvarna and today I'm gonna be reviewing a cucumber. No? Not doing that today? Oh, there's something that I always carry along with me when adventure calls. Be it trekking, driving a car through a rugged terrain, jumping into the ocean, or riding a motorcycle cross country. If you crave for adventure, you really need to get your hands on the new super cam from GoPro, the Hero 7 Black. Now I've used the GoPro Hero 5 Black and the Hero 6 Black extensively and they are pretty rugged cameras on their own. However, here are top 7 reasons why you should put your money down for the GoPro Hero 7 Black. One of the biggest upgrades that the new GoPro Hero 7 Black offers is hyper smooth stabilization. What it essentially does is it gives you gimbal-like stabilization in a package this small. As you can see here, I'm blasting through South Asia's longest zipline, and yet the footage is super slick. Wow, that was fun. That was insane. That was absolutely insane. The gimbal-like stabilization on the Hero 7 Black lets you take time warp videos. When you shoot in this mode, what you get is super stabilized time-lapse footage that has a magic carpet ride feel to it. In this mode, videos can be sped up to 30 times their original speed. Now let's move on to the interface, which GoPro has completely revamped with the Hero 7 Black, which makes life a whole lot easier as it is now effortless to navigate through the menu and other visual options. Side swipes and swiping from the bottom or the top of the screen is now a thoroughly engaging experience. Now I remember using the GoPro Hero 6 on a motorbike and it used to do a fairly good job in cutting wind noise. The GoPro Hero 7 Black also gets a huge upgrade in the audio department. Re-engineered audio captures increased dynamic range, new microphone membrane reduces unwanted vibrations through mounted situations, voice is recorded in pristine fashion even as you tear through the wind, and this actually helps in real-world situations. Now it's not just audio and video the GoPro Hero 7 Black is good at. You can even shoot a super photo, in which you can snap a professional grade shot via automatically applied HDR, local tone mapping and multi-frame noise reduction. There is also a portrait mode, in which you can natively capture vertical images. Now I've kept the best for the last. Now as you shoot your pictures, videos, portraits and selfies on the new Hero 7 Black, you can live stream all of it. Imagine being at a concert and live streaming it to your social media outlets. That's one cool feature I've always waited for. For more tech reviews and a lot more cool stuff, don't forget to visit our website in.mashable.com. GoPro, stop recording.